Berlin's parliament has approved a sweeping expansion of police surveillance powers, alarming critics who warn it shreds decades of privacy protections. In July 2025, lawmakers passed reforms to the General Security and Public Order Act, or ASOG, introducing over 20 invasive tools including automated license plate scans and hidden cameras inside homes. Reports indicate police can now deploy covert IT hacks, drone surveillance, and retroactive facial recognition scraped from public internet photos, often without upfront warrants. Sources confirm these measures allow secret devices in private spaces and electronic tagging to track movements, invading core areas of personal life. Industry analysts and privacy advocates say this creates a slippery slope to total control, fueling self-censorship and eroding freedoms of movement, association, and speech. What this means is a panopticon-style blueprint that normalizes mass surveillance across nations. Watch for legal challenges and public backlash as Germany confronts this tipping point.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.